Hey babes, it's me, Alegra. Babes, I just got these new Poshpeel pedicure in the mail. So you put these on your feet and you leave it on for about 90 minutes, 60 to 90 minutes, depending how calloused that your feet are. And then you wash it off, and then supposedly your feet are going to peel and they're going to shed off all of the dead skin. And then afterwards, your feet are just going to be baby soft and smooth. So I'm so excited to try these today and see if I could really wind up with super soft feet. I love to have really soft and smooth feet like everybody, right? So I'm going to put it on today, and then I'm going to have to pop back in like 3 days and let you know how it's going. But I will let you know if it really is that amazing, how it's working for me. Oh, guys, they're going crazy. We're having a party now, guys. Now that I got a beauty room, we just hang out in here all the time and have fun. But this is my first, this is my second day now in my beauty room. So I'm having so much fun. So I said, let's do masks, right? Today we're going to do feet masks. So see what happens. But it says here that they give you these 2 packets, and then they give you socks. So you pour the packet into the sock, and then you put the socks on for about 60 to 90 minutes. I'm going to put them on for 90 because I want to get the softest results possible. So I'm going to do that now. And then, like I said, I'll just keep checking in with you guys and letting you know, if my feet are getting softer or not. I do have some calluses. So let's do it before and after. So let me show you them how they looking right now. So that is them. So that's where we're at right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the mask on and see, if they get softer. Here's the booties that you put on. Here's one booty. Oh, they're just plastic. They're not like, ooh, socks. But okay, then there's like a lining. There's 2 linings, so make sure you pour it into the second lining, not the first lining. So there's like a paper, there's this kind of fabric, and then there's the plastic, so you pour it into the fabric one. Ooh, wait, am I doing this right? Let's make sure I'm doing this right. So I'm doing it right. So you pour it in. I guess you could save some for later because it says pour the desired amount in. I'm just pouring the whole thing in. And then you just go ahead and put it on. Ooh, so it's like water. It feels, ooh. Oh, it smells bad. Ooh, it smells really bad. So, and then they give you these stickers. So I guess you just seal the bag closed on your foot. It smells really strong, guys. So I don't even know if I can show you. But let me go ahead and do the other one, and then I'll show you how it looks. But there was a sticker. You just kind of close up the top of the bag with the sticker. The sticker here. I'll show you guys once I have both of them done. I'll show you guys how it looks. I'm going to open the other one. And this says that it has glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, citric acid, and botanical extracts. So that's probably why it smells. I wasn't expecting it to it does smell kind of chemical. Usually when you use feet products, they have like, they always smell like lavender or something like that, right? Lotions, but this is not a lotion. This is like straight up glycolic acid on your feet. So, but that's good because we'll probably see some good results. So you just want to go ahead and seal it shut, seal the top. It's like a baggie on your foot basically. So I went ahead and sealed them up. So I'm going to leave these on for 90 minutes. I'm just going to show you how it looks. But I'm definitely going to go wash my hands too because this does smell kind of powerful. So I'm just going to show you guys out, and then I'm just going to show you how it looks, and then I'll be back in the next few days to let you guys know my results. So guys, this is where we're at right now. So these stickers are not really that secure, so I really recommend not moving around too much while you wait for your 90 minutes or your 60 minutes to be up. But this is where we're at. I will check back in with you guys and let you know how it's going, how they're peeling, because apparently, like I said, they're going to peel and then there's going to be just fresh, soft skin underneath on my toes. So I'll check back in with you guys. See you soon.
So babes, it wasn't until about the 4th day after I used the peel that my feet actually started to peel. So I really thought at first that it didn't work and that, you know, the peel wasn't working for me, but it actually took 4 days for my feet to start to peel. Before they actually peeled, they felt very itchy, dry, and to be honest, they felt very uncomfortable, and I was like I was feeling very unhappy that I had used the peel in the first place. Once they started to peel on the 4th day, the peeling was so extreme. There was shedded skin all over. I had to keep soaking my feet in the bathtub to keep them from shedding so much. So definitely, if you're going to use this peel, while they're peeling, it's really recommended that you soak your feet in the tub, and if you can wear socks as much as possible, because otherwise you will have shedded skin all over your house. I know that sounds disgusting, but that's exactly what happened to me. So I was finding it everywhere, the skin, and it was really gross. So definitely, you know, be on the lookout for that. So the peeling lasted for about another 4 days, and then finally it stopped, and my feet were really super soft, baby soft, after they were done peeling. So while they were peeling though, I swear guys, I was like, I'm not recommending this. I'm not gonna, you know, I hated it. But now I'm really happy with the results, and I do feel more confident because I feel like my feet look 100% better. So I'm really happy, and I probably will do it again, but this time I'll be ready with soaking and wearing the socks all the time. So I hope this video helped you if you were interested in this peel, and so I definitely do recommend it, but just be prepared. It's not a lot of fun before the peeling starts and when it is going on, but when it's done, it's really amazing. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Let me know if you've tried the peel and what your thoughts are. So I would love to know. So guys, I have to say, when I was actually doing the peel, they were, you know, in the booties, the acids, and it can get very messy. So that's just another thing to look out for when you're going to do the peel. Make sure that you know, don't have to go anywhere. You just can sit for 60 minutes and do not move. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Love you.